Close your eyes and remember the day you decided to start learning English. It was an exciting time and you felt a little nervous too. Your teacher taught you how to write both the capital A and the lowercase a.
Rosanna wrote capital A. Excellent. Great. Vanya wrote a small A. Great. Excellent.
It was difficult at first, but after some time you mastered all the letters. Now you possess a wealth of knowledge and you have the ability to improve even further. Sometimes learning English can be difficult, but every time you overcome a challenge, you get stronger and more confident. Remember when you learned the alphabet? It seemed impossible, but now you can do it easily. Every new thing you learn brings you closer to your goal of fluency. Don't forget, every success story begins with the decision to try, and you've already made that crucial first step. At the moment, you are familiar with many words, phrases, and grammar rules. However, you and I know that it's not enough, and we need to boost our knowledge. I'm Ameneh, an English teacher. You might think I'm here to teach English, but actually, I wanna show you how to have fun while learning the language. We've all heard that practicing a language for just 30 minutes a day can lead to fluency. But even with 24 hours in a day, it can sometimes feel hard to find those 30 minutes. Why? Well, that's exactly what this channel is about. I just ask you to subscribe and join me on this exciting journey of discovery and growth. Together, we will find the secret to making English learning not only productive, but truly fun and enjoyable. So, let's commence this adventure hand in hand and rediscover the joy of learning English. Hi everyone, welcome back to Fun English Journey. I'm speaking to you from a beautiful island.